Welcome to the Brentwood High School Research Lab, where we're hard at work saving salt marshes for the Samsung Solve for Tomorrow Challenge.
With the loss of salt marshes globally, coastal populations risk losing the valuable resources that are provided by the salt marshes, ranging from carbon sequestration to storm protection, as well as the vital role played by salt marshes in local economies. Salt marshes are critical components of the global and our Long Island ecosystem. Our Samsung project aims to develop an effective novel technique to curb the salt marsh loss and decrease eutrophication by using aerial imaging, on-the-ground sampling, and the novel biopolymer engineering methods. Our team aims to implement a safe, effective way to restore salt marshes using biopolymers.
Experimentation is the foundation for our Samsung Solve for Tomorrow project. Here we have a group experimenting with two biopolymers, Guar Gum and Xanthan gum.
Guar Gum is originated from the guar bean. It is a biopolymer that tends to clump up when added to water. Therefore, what we are hoping to do is strengthen the native plant species Spartina alterniflora by adding guar to the soil.
The purpose of this experiment is to determine the appropriate consistency of guar gum, xanthan gum, water, and sand. We found that xanthan gum tends to mold when water and sand is added. However, a 1:1:1 ratio of guar gum, sand, and water tends to provide the optimum consistency. And what most people don't realize is that our cesspools leach an excess of nitrogen known as eutrophication, which is harmful and weakens salt marshes, making salt marshes vulnerable to wave action. But if we can strengthen salt marshes with guar gum, we can decrease salt marsh degradation drastically.
If we lose our salt marshes, then our coastal cities will be devastated.
And here we have a group using their novel idea in their experimentation.
We're going to take a plant with regular sediment, and then we're going to take a plant mixed with guar gum.
And we will place both these plants in the oscillator with water to simulate wave action.
In the laboratorium field, we are trying to develop a novel method using guar gum and xanthan gum as adhesives during the salt marsh restoration. We have been working with local scientists and outreaching to local businesses to help with our prototyping, engaging scientists and engineers at all levels.
And as you can see, the bottom is still intact with the guar gum even now, compared to the exposed root of the normal sediment.
We are solving
For tomorrow!